Hi, I'm Tim Parlatore, Managing Partner of Parlatore Law Group. And on today, National Coffee Day, I wanted to talk about one of my favorite passions, coffee. Now, I like to brew my own coffee every morning using the Chemex. And so I figured while I make my coffee, we talk about it. You see, coffee really is a very historical and important drink in this country. It was brought over way back in the beginning during the colonial times, but it didn't really become very popular until 1773, right after the Boston Tea Party, when drinking tea became unpatriotic. So, coffee was the patriotic drink of the day. So, coffee really does take a lot of part in history of the development of this country, in my opinion, but it certainly takes a big part in the development of the practice of law and how I practice, because without this coffee every morning, it's very difficult for me to operate. And yes, I do recognize that I'm very particular about how I do my coffee. So much so that when I travel for court into other jurisdictions, I bring my own. I actually have a whole travel kit that I bring with me into the hotels, because the hotel coffee is never quite as good as my coffee. So I always bring it with me, and of course, TSA always likes to go through it because the coffee grounds or the coffee beans themselves, they consider organic material, so they have to check it to make sure there's not some kind of drugs or explosives in it. I recognize this is somewhat eccentric, but this is what I do. One of the things I also love about coffee is veteran roasted coffee companies. There are several in this country that have come out in the past few years, and they really make phenomenal coffee, and I love them. There's a few that we work with, actually. I've represented a few different veteran coffee roasters, and they all take the same care and precision to making their coffee that they do with all other aspects of their life. So you end up with a very high quality cup of coffee at a reasonable price, and oftentimes these companies will also donate a portion of those profits to veteran organizations, to pro-law enforcement causes, and things like that. From all of us at Parlatore Law Group to all of you, we want to wish you a happy National Coffee Day.